Or we have a party system whereby the party is the one that actually is running and is actually, they have a number of persons on the list, and that party needs to be registered. You can have a party of just one person as well.
But the person itself
The
can
person,
be the party.
no, it is a party because that's so clear in the law that it must be a party, that the party needs to be registered at the Electoral Council. But Silveria Jacobs herself cannot go and, participate on her
In
own
an election without a party.
She has to be part of the party. And then, of course, then you have the whole discussion that we have in the community nowadays when individuals decide, you know what, I no longer align with the party's mission and I would therefore go and declare myself independent, if that should be allowed. And the whole discussion is,
Right.
do you go with the seat or not?
Right.
And there's where,
This is where the reform is
comes
needed.
into. Look, I feel, Prime Minister, is that we need to have a debate in our country as to what do we actually want, what system basically works for us. I've said it a number of times. We have actually taken over the system of the Netherlands Antilles that was taken over by the Netherlands.
Right.
Now, it works for the Netherlands, it worked for the Netherlands Antilles, it works for Aruba, and it's working for Curacao too. The question is it sufficient for St. Martin? Now, that discussion we need to have, a debate we need to have in a community to see, hey, do we need to, because it's working with, that's a system with the former Netherlands Antilles, do we need it for St. Martin too? Maybe we need to have another discussion in terms of what best works for us as a country on St. Martin.